Welcome to the next video. Don't know when we're looking at. I'm on the bloody floor here. I don't know what to do with this one. Obviously, netball. I'm not too sure what how to do a netball with a bloody tumble dryer. So what I've decided I'm gonna do is just do a bit of throw and catch with this. Throw and catch with this. And obviously with the rugby challenge I'm gonna do the like throwing up in the air and see what it does. So I've got a rugby challenge coming up after this as well. I don't need another phone for this because you can see close up for me as well. So let's see what this does. Do you know what? I should have got the thingamajiggy. Yeah, so let's see what this does. Bloody hell. Do you know what I should do? I don't know if you've seen YouTube videos of them dryer riding where people go in tumble dryers. I don't think I'll fit in this in a 9 kilogram tumble dryer, but yeah, I've seen some hilarious YouTube videos of them. Got fluff on the there. Yeah, this is a netball, so I should have put a camera in the dryer, shouldn't I? Whoa, that was a good one. Are you ready? Cool. Not quite. Do you know what? I've always struggled with 9 kilogram drums before either washes or dryers because it's too far into each. So ooh. Catch with a tumble dryer. I'll do this video for a good 10 minutes again. So do you know what? Let's do best of 5 or 10. That plug sticking into me. So 1. This should be a lot easier than the football one. 1. 2. 3. Do you know what? I've never actually done this before. That's 3. I liked it when it could bounce in and out. I like that one. You know, that was a one-off. So yeah, that's 3. 4. There we go. That was good. 5. 6. Best not do it that hard, otherwise I'll break the fucking thing. 8. 9. 10. Yay! Yeah, so that's this is going to be a short video because people are going to get bored of it, aren't they? Yeah. Yeah, that was a lot easier, that netball one. I didn't know how to do it, so I just thought, let's play a catch with the tumble dryer and that. So yeah, it didn't throw it back though, did it? Yeah, so that was as close as I could have got. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got some more challenge videos to do today as well, and also I'll probably do them all today, to be honest with you, and get them banged out. So yeah, we'll do it. So, yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.